Hi guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to create an out of the frame effect, so let's get started. Open CapCut, tap on the new project and select the video you want to edit. Tap on the video and then copy it. Go back to the first video and then add the keyframe at the beginning. After that, tap on the mask and select the film strip mask. Adjust the mask with 2 fingers so that it's out of the frame. After a few frames, adjust the mask and hide it. Now go to graphs and select these out too. Tap on the second video and then select overlay option. After that, align the videos. Now tap on the overlay video and select remove background in cutout. After editing, your video should look like this. Now you can export the video, and thanks for watching.